hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. और आज है थर्सडे और आज है ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम का सेकंड डे एंड अभी बज गए हैं सुबह के 8:10 और जल्दी से उठ के रेडी होके फिर आपसे मिलते हैं. So 3, 2, 1 बैम. ओके, सो आई एम बैक. नहा धोवा लिए हैं अच्छे से और सारा काम हो चुका है, निपट चुका है. अब बस एक काम बाकी रह गया है, वो है लैपटॉप को लगा के जूम को कॉन्फ़िगर करना, बिकॉज कल थोड़ी सी माइक में प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी. सो जल्दी से वो कर लेते हैं एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द डे. एंड अभी तक मैंने कुछ पहना नहीं है फॉर्मल वॉर्मल, क्योंकि 5 मिनट पहले पहनेंगे. वी आर इन इंडिया आफ्टर ऑल. सो बस कर लेते हैं, फिर बताते हैं क्या सीन है, क्या स्टेटस है. सो या इट्स 9:33. अब कुछ ही देर में शुरू होने वाला है अपना ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम. और चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज के दिन के साथ. खैर, जो मैं ऑडियो सेटिंग करना चाह रहा था, लाइक यूजिंग दी लैपटॉप स्पीकर्स विथ माई लेविलियर माइक, खैर वो सेटिंग हो नहीं रहा था, या मुझे करना नहीं आता, या ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन है नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता, पर वो नहीं हो रहा था. सो आई हैव टू स्विच बैक टू दी देसी मेथड. तो लेट्स सी क्या चलता है, कैसे चलता है आगे. तो वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले यार, जिन्होंने भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है ना, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लो, क्योंकि मैं देख रहा हूँ मेरी जो 70 to 80% ऑडियंस है ना, वो मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स नहीं हैं. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लो चैनल को. एंड यार, आपका ढेर सारा प्यार काफ़ी है मेरे लिए. एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लो और मैं आपके लिए अच्छी कंटेंट लाता रहूँगा. सो मूविंग बैक जहाँ से छोड़ा था. ओके, सो दी ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम हैज़ स्टार्टेड. चलिए आपको एक झलक दिखाते हैं. और ये रहा.
We would like to invite our academic chairperson, Dr. Mahesh Gadekar.
Pillar in the academic in the PGDM program is more of academic processes. I believe that you know the meaning of process and system. Process and system helps you to navigate smoothly from one trimester to other trimester, and it helps you to understand how the process moves in the institution, and also try to understand what are the systems which are there, which helps students to learn a number of aspects of the program. So at ISBM, we have 6 trimesters. So trimester 1, so first year is divided in 3 trimesters. Second year is again divided into 3 trimesters. So first year we start with begins in the end of June. Now this is a normal schedule, as you all of you aware. We are right now presently a new normal situation. So we are not started from I mean to say still till the government give us instructions and as per directives of them. So we are expecting as I said earlier, that we're going to start our teaching program from 6th of July. Okay, but traditionally and we start a trimester from end of June. So trimester we take care of such students. We have a very unique process, which is a system which is called as guided self-study, that ensures students that they are doing internship.
Okay, so the talks about internships and academics, and फिलहाल तो यही चल रहा है. तो मैं सुनता हूँ, आप लोग बोर मत हो इतना सुन के, मेरे काम का है। सो लेट्स सी आज का दिन कैसा जाता है एंड आज मैं आपसे क्या क्या शेयर कर पाता हूँ। सो बेयर विथ मी एंड बस इतनी सी बात है।
If you have any questions, just put in the Q&A option. I'll take those questions one by one.
Okay, so the first
Yeah, Abhishek has put one question. He says that if we want to change specialization, when should we are supposed to change?
okay, so I put a question. Let's see if he answers
Yeah, I'll
it.
share the PPT with you. How the 3 semesters are divided. Shivam, we don't have semesters here. We have. Yeah, sir, can we have virtual tour of Nanded campus? Yeah, we can do it, Advait. Don't worry for it. We can share the video with you. It is there on a website, but we'll share it with you again.
Okay, let me ask, can we have a virtual tour for Kolkata campus or not?
Yeah, Utkarsh Gupta,
Let's
you have to take minimum number of courses. Okay, suppose if I give you, those things will be shared with you later. So the basket of courses remains same. Utkarsh is asking question that if we take marketing and finance as a specialization, will the course will be too much as compared to other specialization? You have to take a respective course. There is a minimum number of courses which you are supposed to take. Okay, in a respective trimester. Okay, suppose trimester 1 and 2, you have 4 courses.
okay, so I
You don't have electives. Electives will start coming in the month of January. That is trimester 3. Okay,
So-
January or
So let's see if he answers my question or someone else's question. The same question, obviously. He does not need to take my name and answer it. Let's see if he answers the question. And let's see.
yeah, Siddharth Pandey. He's asking about GSS. In first semester trimester, will all the subject related to specialization will be taught? Yes, definitely.
Yes.
You can note down your subject in first trimester. Take your pen and paper right over there. It is already coming to you, but I'm just, since you have asked me the question of the subjects, write it down fast. First paper is Economics 1, Managerial Economics 1, we say ME1. Second is QT1. Third is Marketing Management 1, MM1. Fourth is FM1, sorry, only FM, Financial Management. Fifth is Operation Management. And sixth is OB1. Okay, students who are taking HR as area of interest or specialization, they have to do one more course which is called as HRM1. Okay, so don't worry, we'll be sharing this details with all of you. Yes, Kajal, you are right. GSS applies 6 July.
Okay, so one more question I have added. He answered my first question. So let's see if he answers the rest of it.
So many of you asked about the PPT.
Yeah.
Okay, many of you asked about PDF also. Library will give you presentation and we'll be sharing with you. Try to understand, dear students. We are in a very new normal situation. Okay, and we are prepared for it. Okay, you can see through orientation program. We are prepared for it. We have made all required arrangement. Okay, so we'll be sharing with you stage by stage what we have planned for it. Like students who in section A, they'll be part of section A. So section A will go to have a different unique email ID. Okay, so you first activate all your email IDs. Okay, with respect to password. So right now you can see that we are sending you email on both the IDs, your personal IDs and as well as institution ID. So in coming days, slowly we are going to, from Monday onwards, all faculty will share the material not on your personal IDs. The personal IDs are not visible to anyone, only to admission office and only to me. Okay, so faculty will share all resources to you only through your official email ID. So don't forget to log in from your official email ID. And after login, ensure that you're changing your password.
Okay, so one of the sessions has ended right now, and yeah, we got the official email ID from the institute, जो कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. Wait a minute. Yeah, which looks like this. This is the email ID, and here we have our email ID like this, somewhat like this. And so yeah, and all the जो भी स्टूडेंट्स को मिलता है सब्जेक्ट मैटर या अगले दिन का जो भी रहता है वो यहाँ आ जाता है. So that's a good step by the college, I believe. And till now, so far so good. And let's see, let's wait for the next session. This session wrapped up pretty well. I've had put on 3 questions, जिसमें से एक का उन्होंने आंसर कर दिया है, बाकी 2 उन्होंने नहीं किया. He told that he would take the questions later because I believe there are a lot of students who might have asked a lot of questions. So let's just wait and see what happens later, because I'll raise those questions again. Let's see if I can get the answers or not. So the second session has started, and
I'll run on to the brief narrative of all the admin facilities that we provide here. The objectives of the admin team is to provide services for smooth functioning, good quality of life for students. That's one of the prime objectives that we have. To resolve queries and complaints, if any, and to ensure adequate utilization of all resources at ISBNM. To organize co-curricular activities, events effectively for developing talents for students. At ISBM we have various facilities. Some of them are 24/7 facilities, which comprise of the medical facilities, the security, electricity and hot water facility for 24/7. We got a Wi-Fi internet services, a reading hall, a library. We have furnished hostel rooms for you, swimming pool, sports facilities, which comprises of basketball, volleyball. We've got indoor badminton court, table tennis, and so on and so forth. We also provide services for courier services for your smooth stay here. In addition to the mess that we have here, we have got 3 cafeterias which caters for all your cuisines for various kinds to ensure that you enjoy your stay here. For the mess rules and general guidelines, due to paucity of time, we shall be sharing with you in detail at a later stage. As already covered by Chairperson Academics, the ragging is banned and there is no scope for that. And the campus, no ragging whatsoever, as it's a criminal offense. The security here.
Thank you,
okay.
sir. I would like to request Mr. Anmol Singh.
Okay, so all the parameters about the college has been explained to us right now. कि कॉलेज में क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, क्यों करना है, और सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड कैसे मेंटेन करनी है, एंड कॉलेज ने अपनी सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड एंड सिक्योरिटी स्टैंडर्ड को कैसे मेंटेन किया हुआ है, एंड द हाइजीन स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ द कॉलेज. सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स वर एक्सप्लेन्ड टू अस, that how to not drive a car or a bike in the campus, and what is the speed limit set into the campus, and to carry the helmet and a valid DL with the college identity card, blah 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 blah. So all those things have completed just now, and phase 3 of the orientation. So yep, phase 3 of the orientation.
I'm glad to welcome the batch 2020-2022. I will now present a slide for you. Go through the rules and regulations for our IT infrastructure. So our IT lab is open from 8 am to 11 pm, and so on Saturdays and Sundays we operate from 9 am to 6 pm. As far as our internet facilities are concerned, we have a dedicated 140 Mbps lease line for campus. Also, we have multiple servers with firewall security. And add further, our hostel are also Wi-Fi enabled. We have the recent and updated versions of softwares including Microsoft license and Windows Defender antiviruses. We have the recent we have also data analytics and statistical software which has been upgraded from SPSS right from the inception of the institute. We also have design software such as CorelDRAW and Adobe Photoshop. Our UPS backups are enabled in the IT lab, all classroom and the library and the auditorium for the technical support. Our institute students cell DGI, the digital movement team, is student-driven cell that gives the audio and visual support to the college. To speak on the usability guidelines, I would like to inform you that our IT services extend only to our students. Also, for smooth functioning, you must carry your ID card. The IT lab is an intellectual space and hence no eatable plea. Not a space for loitering and gossiping. Personal laptops are disallowed in the IT lab.
Okay, so the third presentation has been done about the IT infrastructure of the college, and now
Thank you, sir. I now request Mr. Manohar Chaudhary, head librarian, ISB,
and now the librarian would speak something. अगर आप देखना चाहते हो तो यार देख सकते हो, वरना इस पार्ट को skip कर सकते हो. That's up to you. I'll record it anyway.
Myself, Manohar Chaudhary, hearty welcomes to all of you. Library is an important department in the organization. We can say that it is the soul of organization. Library play a vital, very crucial role in teaching and learning process. It is our responsibility to keep good image around us. These are our library staff. With me, two more personalities work in the library department. One is Mr. Sunny Kasbe. The other one is Mr. Santosh Kumar. Those are assistant librarian. These are our library timings. Our department library is open 24/7 except public holidays, which are declared by the institute time to time. This is our library collection. Library is having good collection on marketing, finance, HR, ESCOM and media.
Okay, so लाइब्रेरी का सीन कंप्लीट है. अब पता नहीं आगे क्या होगा, या देख लेते हैं यार आगे क्या क्या होगा. ओके, सो अभी एक कॉर्पोरेट लेक्चर होने वाला है एंड उसके बाद एक वर्कशॉप होगा एंड उसके बाद लंच हो जाएगा अपना. सो लेट्स वेट फॉर इट एंड देखते हैं क्या होता है.
Experience of managing and leading organization transformation across various business units in Singapore, China, Australia, South Asia and India. It is indeed our honor and privilege to have him with us. I request the team to play the corporate video.
Something. We touch lives. Billions of them. Every day. And every day, we have the opportunity to improve life. Because if any one of us sees a way to make it better or easier for someone, we can make it happen. Even the smallest idea can build a better
then I did MBA by Symbiosis School, right? So that's where I have kind of spent.
So a presentation is being given by Mr. Srinivas PM. He's the HR head of the India subcontinent of PNG, and he's sharing his life story right now, and after that he'll address us and he'll share a bunch of stuffs. So yeah, मैंने mic change कर लिया है because that mic was मतलब मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था ऑडियो में, तो I have changed the mic. I hope अब वीडियो में अब ऑडियो में काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आपको पता चलेगा. So please let me know in the comments and let's just get going with it. And अब मैं इसको माउंट करूँगा ट्राईपॉड में बाकी दिन के लिए, और लेट्स सी क्या होता है.
And then I moved on to coming back to India in 2008, and therefore I took the sales HR role, which was partnering with the sales organization in India for PhD. Did a lot of reinvention, organization reinvention with the sales organization. Moved on to then do supply chain HR, which is
अब एक और सेशन शुरू हो गया है, and it's about maintaining and developing and it's about building and developing relationships between your colleagues and between the students or the candidates. So एक काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सा सेशन अभी शुरू हुआ है, and let's see ये कैसा जाता है. एंड यार प्लीज़ आप लोग भी देखो साथ में मेरे, मैं अकेले क्यों.
Joseph looked at Harry Hickam. Now, I request you to keep the documents open. Please keep it open. We will go through filling up the instrument which is there in this document and then discuss it. Okay. So first I will start off with the instruments. Might seem to be applicable, but some more, some less. What you need to do is to spread out 5 across these two statements A and B. So it can be 1 and 4, it can be 4 or 1. It is your own regulation. And from there on, we will start off with understanding the finding. So I have around 20 minutes before you.
Okay, so we have got an interesting project right now. It's not a project, it's kind of a workshop. We have got wait, let me show you. Yeah, that would be okay. So basically we have got a questionnaire over here, and what we have to what we have to do is we have a series of questions over here. There are supposedly 20 questions, and we have been given a situation on every statement. So हर एक स्टेटमेंट पे हमें सिचुएशन दिया हुआ है जिसके ऊपर ए या बी, ये दो आंसर्स या ये दो रिस्पॉन्स हो सकते हैं उनके ऊपर, ए और बी. ओके, तो ये दो रिस्पॉन्स हो सकते हैं. सो वी हैव टू डिसाइड कि कौन सा रिस्पॉन्स सबसे ज़्यादा वैल्यूएबल होगा या सबसे ज़्यादा सेंस बनाएगा, एंड वी हैव टू गिव इट अ स्कोर. आइदर वी कैन गिव इट अ 5 और 0, 4 और 1, 3 और 2, 2 और 3, वाइस वर्सा. जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हो टोटल 5 है यहाँ पे, एंड आइदर वी कैन गिव 5 और 0, 5 और 0, or we can give mark it 4 or 1, or we can give it 3 or 2, vice versa. And yeah, there can't be any tie, so कोई decimal numbers नहीं होंगे, no point answers. So जो भी यहाँ का हमारा आंसर होगा या हमारा जो भी यहाँ का ओपिनियन होगा, that we have to share it, and not share it exactly, we have to calculate our scores over here. So we have to जो भी हमारा स्कोर होगा 2B में जो भी था, 3A में जो भी था, तो जो भी हमारा स्कोर है वो हमें यहाँ लिखना होगा कि what point we have given, and accordingly we have to total it. And total करने के बाद here is the charting, and on this chart we have to make the grid axis, we have to draw the lines, and उससे हमें पता चलेगा कि हमारा जो intersecting point है वो कहाँ लाई करता है, या तो वो ओपन है, या तो ब्लाइंड है, या तो अननोन, या तो हिडन. तो इस बॉक्स के बीच में ही वो कहीं लाई करेगा. एंड सो उसके बाद ही वुड discuss these answers or the opinions, and then he would just tell us कि क्या करने से सही होगा या क्या करने से गलत होगा. And so that's the task, and ज़्यादा कुछ मुश्किल टास्क है नहीं, so I'll try and complete it, and फिर बात करते हैं आगे कि मैंने कितना स्कोर किया. And this is quite an interesting questionnaire or the workshop which is happening. I mean, बुराई तो नहीं कर सकते ना. So yeah, relatively let's do it, and बस फिर मिलते हैं. Okay, so I have completed the task, and ये कुछ इस तरह से दिखता है. And yeah, so the task, so yeah, I have done all the markings. मैंने सबको अलग अलग स्कोर दे दिया है. And yeah, I have noted it down over here कि मैंने किसको कितना स्कोर दिया. And according to the score, the total I have already marked the total. And yeah, so here we had to write कि कितना हुआ and the total, and accordingly we have to place it in the graph. So my graphs come somewhere around here. Yep, so this is the graph I put down, and it is somewhere more oriented to open. It's somewhere more oriented to open and hidden. Like hidden में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, open में कम है, but that was my perception. I mean, that was how I felt about the questions. And जो भी questions थे, like जो भी questions थे, being in India, like ये एक reality है कि लोग अपनी feelings and अपनी problems को ज़्यादा छुपाते हैं instead of being open with it and वो सामने वाले से बात करें उस बारे में. बट यहाँ यार लोग यहाँ ऐसे इसलिए भी करते हैं क्योंकि ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि सामने वाला उसका मजाक उड़ा दे. 2 दिन बोले कि येस ओके आई एम विथ यू, या दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम, वी शुड सॉर्ट इट आउट. बट तीसरे दिन ऐसा हो सकता है कि बैक टू नॉर्मल हो जाए सब कुछ यार, मतलब किसी को कुछ फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है. सो पर्टिकुलरली इन आवर कंट्री द प्रॉब्लम लाइज इज़ दैट कोई प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में बात ही नहीं करना चाहता. सो या एंड मैं किसी भी चीज़ को रिलेट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, हालांकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें रिलेटेबल है इस चीज़ से. लाइक मुझसे भी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें रिलेटेबल है इस क्वेश्चनर से, एंड आई एम डैम श्योर कि काफ़ी सारे लोगों का होगा भी. बट क्या कर सकते हैं, जो है ऐसा ही है. एंड आई होप लाइक हम इस बात को मैच्योरली समझें कि वेयर वी लैक एंड हम इस चीज़ को कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं. So the question was all about a human relationship with each other. चाहे वो आपका दोस्त हो, चाहे वो आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड हो, चाहे वो आपके पेरेंट्स हो, चाहे वो आपका सिबलिंग हो. So there should be a kind of transparent and a smooth communication between you guys, so that I believe कि कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए ऐसे. पर जहाँ आप चीज़ों को ट्रांसलूसेंट या हाइड करने लगते हो ना, तो यार प्रॉब्लम्स ऑटोमेटिकली आने लगती है. सो विद दैट सेट द वर्कशॉप इज़ कंप्लीट एंड आई गेस अब एक लंच ब्रेक होगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट दे वुड नहीं, लंच ब्रेक नहीं है आई गेस. सो आई गेस नेक्स्ट लेक्चर अब लगने वाला है. एंड या बस इतना ही था बोलने के लिए कि यार यही वर्कशॉप था अबाउट द इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स एंड ह्यूमन रिलेशंस. एंड देखते हैं आगे के वर्कशॉप्स में क्या क्या होता है. सो या द सेकंड वर्कशॉप हैज़ begun. Let's just save it. And
we had in the morning about academic processes and system. You can drop your queries in Q&A section.
okay, so let's drop him a few questions. He's again back with the questions and my battery is about to die. So let me change the battery. And
you have to understand what is the faculty expectation. Number one, you have to understand that how I can put more effort in the learning. Okay, you have, and this is not more of undergraduate teaching. UG and PG both are different. PG is more of responsibility. We expect you all guys to be a responsible adult. Okay, so wherein students are taking responsibility in learning, and the entire, in fact, when I was discussing with you earlier, more of guidance self-study. So it's basically more of how a student is motivated, okay, and how he's doing contents, he's in contents touch with the faculty. In fact, we have a schedule wherein students is going to meet respective faculty on the respective time slot which is shared between both of them. So the responsibility element is very much crucial at ISBM. Okay, so do ensure that you are responsible in trying to understand what the faculty expects. Try to understand in the assignment, when you are doing assignment, ensure that you are doing assignment giving your best. At ISBM we have a culture wherein we don't accept whatever submission the student has given. Okay, so
okay, just a basic talk about the faculty and student relationship and meeting वगैरह वगैरह. So कुछ खास है नहीं, let him speak, I am listening to him. और फिर आगे देखते हैं, अगर कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होता है आज तो I'll capture it.
says that okay, fine, he is asking more of career perspective. We'll talk later. But Kaushik, yeah, I will give your views to your respective campus, Kaushik, so rest be assured. Abhishek says
okay guys, so he answered my question. Well, he did not really answer my question. He rather told me that that is more about a personal discussion with him. So he would talk to me personally about it, and let's see what can we come up with. Well, I asked him that I am a HR graduate and I have been working as an HR for more than a year as a senior recruiter. So I told him that I want to explore the media field. So is it okay for me? Is it possible? So he told me that he took the question, like iske pehle wala clip. He took the question and he said that he would talk to me personally about it. मतलब जो भी वो बोलना चाहते थे, I got it. And rather we have to discuss it personally. Let's see. खैर अब तक सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा चला है एंड अब लंच ब्रेक का टाइम हो गया है. उसके बाद एक और गेस्ट लेक्चर होगा एंड आफ्टर दैट देयर वुड बी वन मोर वर्कशॉप आई गेस. Yeah, there would be one more workshop and एक और corporate lecture, and Mr. Abhishek Mishra, he is the alumni and he would speak about digital influencing. एंड बस उसके बाद रैप अप हो जाएगा. सो इस वीडियो को और लंबा नहीं खींचते हैं. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आई डू द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्क एंड आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. एंड आई ट्राई टू शेयर मोर ऑफ माई डेली लाइफ, अ स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ माई डेली लाइफ विथ यू गाइज. सो यार प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लो चैनल को. एंड अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे फॉर व्हाट्सएवर रीज़न, एक लाइक कर देना एंड do share it with your friends and make me grow my channel. And till then इतना ही रखते हैं यार. थैंक यू सो मच अगर आप इतना दूर देख चुके हो. तो till then take care, stay safe. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.